Welcome back to AS Motor Zone. This Mercedes-Benz Kriegstorm Titan Hauler 6x6 is an extreme interpretation of what an armored expedition motorhome can become. Built on a long-wheelbase, heavy industrial truck platform, this vehicle is designed with a singular focus: maximum durability, maximum presence, and long-range self-sufficient travel. It is not styled like a traditional RV or a modern luxury coach. Instead, it takes inspiration from military transport vehicles and armored command units, resulting in a machine that feels more like a rolling fortress than a recreational vehicle. From the outside, the Titan Hauler presents a bold and uncompromising identity. Its structure is completely box-shaped, with flat-sided armored panels forming a rigid rectangular body. There are no soft curves or aerodynamic elements. Every surface is designed to look strong, thick, and reinforced. The exposed seams, bolts, and layered steel textures make the vehicle feel industrial and purposeful. At the front, the vehicle features a massive upright truck face with a prominent Mercedes-Benz grille and the iconic three-pointed star. The headlights are narrow and aggressive, recessed into armored housings for protection. Below, a heavy steel ram bumper integrates a winch and skid plates, reinforcing the vehicle's readiness for extreme environments. The Titan Hauler rides on a true 6x6 configuration with one front axle and two rear axles. While the exterior focuses on strength and presence, the interior introduces a completely different experience, one that blends industrial design with functional luxury. Inside the cockpit, the design reflects the heavy-duty nature of the vehicle. The dashboard is wide and structured, featuring multiple digital displays for navigation, system monitoring, and terrain control. The Mercedes-Benz steering wheel sits at the center, surrounded by durable materials with a refined finish. The driver and passenger seats are designed as premium captain chairs, offering strong support and comfort during long journeys. Large windshield panels provide a commanding view of the road ahead, reinforcing the feeling of control and confidence. Moving behind the cockpit, the interior transitions into a narrow corridor-style living space, similar to real expedition motorhomes. The layout is efficient, structured, and carefully organized. One of the most unique areas inside the Titan Hauler is the lounge and kitchen section. On one side, a long, compact sofa runs along the wall. The sofa is designed with firm yet comfortable cushioning, finished in a dark premium fabric that matches the industrial theme of the vehicle. Subtle stitching and clean lines give it a modern appearance. Opposite the sofa is a streamlined kitchen built into the wall. The kitchen features a matte finish countertop with a built-in sink and a compact cooking surface. The cabinetry below is flat and handleless, maintaining the clean, armored aesthetic. Above the kitchen, open shelving introduces a softer, more personal touch. These shelves hold small decorative items such as metal containers, mugs, and a few carefully placed indoor plants. The greenery adds contrast to the otherwise industrial interior. Warm LED lighting is integrated beneath the cabinets and along the edges of the shelves, creating a soft glow that enhances the atmosphere without overpowering the space. The lighting design plays an important role in making the narrow interior feel comfortable and inviting. The side windows allow natural light to enter, balancing the darker tones of the materials and making the space feel more open despite its compact width. As the interior continues toward the rear, the space becomes more private and relaxed. The bedroom area is located at the very end of the motorhome, positioned against a solid rear wall. The bed is designed for two people and fits neatly within the compact space. It features a thick mattress with a soft blanket and multiple pillows, creating a comfortable and inviting sleeping area. The materials used here are softer and warmer, contrasting with the more industrial textures found in the front sections. On both sides of the bed, small built-in shelves provide space for personal items, such as books or small decorative pieces. Wall-mounted reading lamps offer focused illumination, while overhead cabinets provide additional storage. The rear wall remains solid and reinforced, maintaining the armored structure of the vehicle. However, subtle lighting and clean design elements prevent the space from feeling closed or confined. The ceiling throughout the interior is kept simple but refined, with integrated lighting panels that provide even illumination across the narrow corridor. Overall, the interior of the Kriegstorm Titan Hauler 6x6 is designed with a clear philosophy: maximum efficiency in a compact layout, combined with subtle luxury details that enhance comfort without compromising the rugged identity of the vehicle. This motorhome represents a unique balance between extreme durability and livable design. It is built to handle the harshest environments while still providing a controlled and comfortable interior space for long journeys. The Mercedes-Benz Kriegstorm Titan Hauler 6x6 stands as a bold statement in the world of expedition vehicles. It is not just a means of travel, but a fully capable mobile base designed for those who demand strength, independence, and functionality in every aspect of their journey. Thank you for watching AS Motors Zone. I hope you enjoyed this incredible, powerful, and unique motorhome concept. I will see you in the next video with another incredible machine on wheels.